They're back live here on Sci-Fi. Title on the line, roll up and a near fall as Wilma was crowned a new champion here at the Great American Bash. The Women's Championship has not changed hands in over a decade at this event. And also, this is the youngest NXT Women's Championship match in history, as Perez has been in control, but a big DDT for Thea Hale, who I just looked up from my monitor, is trying to shake some feeling back into her hand, because as you've been watching, Roxanne Perez has been putting on the pressure. She's been softening up that body part to try to maybe get a submission with that crossface. Thea Hale maybe having to play a little bit of defense, as you see Duke Hudson, the MVP, shouting at Thea Hale right now in this moment. She's got to fight back.
Thea Hale is answering all of those questions right now. Do she belong? Can she win the big one? We're gonna find out.
Well, there's Perez, who we talked about it off there. Better not look at Thea Hale and see some sort of student. Thea Hale starting to fire up now. And look, I'll give credit where credit is due to Roxanne Perez. She's the most decorated woman in NXT history, but she is in there right now with someone who is building Booker a lot of momentum in this main event.
Thea Hale was so close just 1 year ago to capturing the Women's Championship, and right now she's even closer, Vic. Oh, here we go.
Got to wonder the damage done to the arm of Thea Hale, who's trying to scoop up, and there's the world's smallest slam. Rolling right through. Feeling it right now, Book. Challenger. Oh! No one there. Look at the champion quickly. The Prodigy. Crucifix near falling. Almost retention, but there's the crossface. This is what Perez has been working on. Trying to soften up the arm, the shoulder of Thea Hale. Thea Hale now is in a lot of trouble. Trying to roll through and finally able to get over to the bottom rope.
Very smart by Thea Hale right there.
Well, Perez beside herself, but that was smart by Thea. Rolling right out to Andre Chase, trying to coach her up, but it's hard to coach someone up when you got a champion like Roxanne Perez throwing caution to the wind.
Roxanne Perez, so controlled, like I said, Vic, so patient to get it. Well, wait a minute, what the hell? What this distraction is all about?
Not distraction. The champion took her eye off the ball, and the challenger trying to make her pay.
What the hell are you talking about? Are we looking at the same thing?
Well, what did Chase do? Chase didn't put his hands on her. Roxanne Perez looked at Chase U. She took her eye off the ball.
No coaching.
Thea Hale is trying to step up to the plate. She's looking for the home run. She's looking to bring gold back to Chase U. Back to her feet. Big Michinoku driver. Awkward landing. Cover. Perez just kicking out. Woo. That was close. Take another look. Two high-impact offensive maneuvers back-to-back. Couldn't keep Perez down. And we've seen the confidence grow in Chase University. We saw Duke Hudson in the main event spotlight a few weeks ago. We saw Riley Osborne bust out of his shell. I did see that, and now we got to see if Thea Hale can fight through, because Roxanne looking for pop rocks. Countered, backslide, shoulders, shoulders. Oh, man. And now quickly into the Kimura. Perez now in trouble. The champion's in trouble, Book. Perez is nowhere for her to go. She's trying to roll through, Book, but now she rolled into the crossface. Nice counter.
Beautiful transition.
Rolling right back through, and now it's Thea now with the Kimura locked back in. She's got to hold on, Book. She's got to hold on.
Get off the rope. What the hell's going on here?
Trying to roll through again. Perez navigating her way free. The injured arm. Look at the torque. Awkward position. Thea now in a lot of trouble.
Ref. Do your job, call it. Have the
right there. Look at the talent.
Have the know-how. Do your job.
Trying to fight. NXT Universe trying to rally. Thea trying to power her way to her feet. And Thea trying to drop the champion. She did. She's feeling it again. Let's go, Thea. Cover for the championship. No, and again. Roxanne just saved her championship.
Come on.
This is the main event. Week 1, Great American Bash here on Sci-Fi. Booker Booker, you are sweating through your suit.
You can see Thea Hale is getting very desperate.
Yeah, same can be said for Perez, who just poked Thea in the face. The official didn't see it.
By any means, by any means.
Oh, that's bullcrap, boy. And you know it. The official didn't see. He was fixing the ring apron in front of us, and Perez right back in. And now the champion charges, got caught. Shoulder first into the post. Look at Rich Holland trying to fire up Thea Hale again. Duke Hudson rallying, and once again, there it is, locked in. The Kimura cinched in deep. Perez has nowhere to go, Booker. Trying to roll through, trying to get to that bottom rope and able to navigate both women to the outside.
Show you how much Roxanne Perez wants it. Not just wants it, Vic. She needs this
Same
victory.
can be said, though, for Thea Hale. The same thing you can say for the challenger, who is now being decimated on the outside. Referee's discretion. No one wants to see a disqualification.
The gloves just came off, Vic. Roxanne Perez. Oh, yes.
Perez catching Thea and right back into that crossface. And now it's Thea Hale who's trying to shift her weight, shoulders down, and a kick out, having relinquished the hold back into the Kimura. What a match this has been. Championship main event. Is she gonna tap, Booker? Is she gonna tap? So close is Perez, trying to navigate and roll her way through, and I don't know how many more times these two can trade holds. What a freaking match this has been. What a main event to the Bash.
I'm nervous, Vic.
You should be nervous
right now.
But Thea Hale sees that bottom rope. She's just trying to continue this fight. Can she get there?
You gotta roll, Roxanne. You gotta roll.
Oh, Perez wisely rolling through, back to her feet. Pop! Rocks!
Here is your winner, and still the NXT Women's Champion, Roxanne Perez.
Unreal main events here tonight at the Great American Bash. And this was just week number 1. But these two women just stole the spotlight. They saw it, they took it. This was an absolute classic between these two. And Thea Hale, even in defeat, showed what she's made of. But right there, after both these women went back and forth so many times, there you see the victor. And it's now the time Perez gets the respect that she deserves, because the Prodigy is the measuring stick in NXT.